Hey guys, Snowman Man back with another awesome sauce video. Edit not to record. Yeah, I use shortcut. Alright. Anyways, today me and my bro are gonna be playing some. I kind of forgot the lines. Alright, to press the button. And I'm glad for it. I'm just happy because he's up at like 2 a.m. right now, helping me record this video. So shout outs to him. Also add him on Roblox. Hi guys. All right, now we're gonna play. All right. Okay, be careful. Pretty careful at this. Hold on, let me just drink this real quick. I need to be in the wrong. Oh, I can blend in. Except my snowman hat doesn't really blend in. Let me just do a refill. I got like 10 minutes to be able to do this. Also, I'm eating like a waffle that has like peanut butter and chocolate on it. I don't know why. I'm just hungry, so yeah. Stop. Guys, don't ask me why I'm eating at 9 p.m. I'm eating a waffle, by the way. So, you were eating. Okay, never mind. What were you eating at 1, by the way? I want to know. I use shortcut. Oh, you eating oats? Yeah, that's nutritious. Well, I'm eating a waffle with peanut butter and chocolate on it. Gimme. We can have these 2 coins. You want them? You have enough. You have like bought like everything. So I'm gonna press the button. Alright guys, alright, 14. Oh, it's like right here. Yay, I win. Also guys, this is part 3 of playing Don't Press the Button. I'm in a private server because every time I join a public, it's gonna go crazy. Why is my Mountain Dew looking at me like... Let me, like... Alright. Why do I feel like I want to drink a Mountain Dew while eating a waffle with peanut butter and chocolate? Alright, you do this one, I'll do the next one. Oh, nice, alright. I got the best luck. Or not. Bro, I'm gonna have no... Alright. No. Oh, we're too slow, guys. Guys, we're too slow. So I should be, this should be the end because I got the Bloxy Colas. Guys, I do not understand about this. It's because of Bloxy Colas. It kind of just, Bloxy Colas. So Bloxy Cola. Guys, the reason I don't edit is because it takes too long. YouTube hates me, and I just don't like editing. Even though I know how to edit like pretty nice, I just don't do it. Also, if I'm gonna edit, I'm gonna need a teacher because I'm kind of I'll need a teacher. Yay! I'm the chosen. Still got the Bloxy Cola. Alright, it's your turn to press the button, guys. Yay! Tsunami when I have a flying carpet. I'm getting thirsty. I'm getting thirsty in real life. Why does this Gatorade water bottle make so much noise? Like, I just be wanting water at like 2 a.m. and then I see Gatorade water bottle, I drink it, and bam, it just causes an explosion of... I think he kind of died. Guys, I think he died. Oh, he's back. He's back! But where's his rock? Sus. Does this regenerate health? Just freeze me real quick. Freeze me! Bruh! Whatever, I'm gonna press the button. Boop! Get ready! Oh, I love this. Hold. You wanna die? Oh, I want that coin. Oh, you're gonna die. I'm gonna get you. You actually wanna die? Nope. How did I kill him? Oh! How did I kill myself? Don't ask. Don't ask. I'm crap. I'm actually crap. We gotta get to the other side. Oh! Okay, good thing I have rock. That won't do much damage. But for other people, that'll kill them. That's probably a kill. Oh God. The ways you make. Oh, you gotta make do. I'm into having nothing. Do the way I make me feel. Don't know I'm bad. But if it wasn't good, do the way make me. Oh my God. Dude, my mom's listening to Bad and I literally just messed up the beat, bro. Didn't want it. I'm gay! I'm gay! Okay. I'm gonna record Corona vids. Alright, nice. My next video is gonna be a Corona. Or you can kind of just play 2017 Roblox on, Yeah, I know. Frick, I want to be. Die! Die! No! I hate you. No! Get the... Yes! Oh God! Drink! Drink! Get over to... Get out! Oh my God, I'm locked in! No! No! Get out! Get out! Get out! No! Frick! Out! Ah, I'm gonna win! Nope. Oh my God! No, please no! Bam! Bang! No, where did my thing go? You gotta knock on the door. Damn it. Frick! Watch, wait, die? Oh, you want me? Oh, you want me? Oh, no. Okay. Don't ask why. Oh my God! I got flung. It's old Roblox. What do you mean, sorry? Oh my God. What do you mean, sorry? Sorry, you gonna leave or something? Oh, that is... We gotta feed the giant noob. You're just saying sorry. Because you're gonna do 2017 videos. Or am I able to be in it? Actually, I don't really want to. Oh. Alright, then what's the sorry about? Guys, the skeleton killed me. You can literally go back and rewatch. The skeleton killed me. I kept like going on him and then just... Yeah, I was dead. Good thing I have unlimited of those. To be honest, there should be a cooldown for these because it's so OP. It's so OP. Okay, got a drink. Let me just get that back real quick. Nice. am I getting Corona? That's just old Roblox. Like getting Corona on what? Like this isn't trying to drink. Wait, is it in like the App Store or something? Do I have to download it? Is it just on Roblox? Then why are you saying when are you getting Corona? What do you mean it's not it's and he says it's not on the App Store. So what is it? Is it like a private app or something? Don't tell me it's a freaking link. It is a link. I'm sad you can't tell me the link because Roblox will ban it for no reason. You can't tell me the link because Roblox will tag it and you'll get banned. But I could search it up, but you should probably not tell me the link. Don't tell me the dang link, bro. Or your account's gonna get banned. It's probably bug, just don't. I'm just warning you. Let's click the button. Yeah, they tagged. Let's not play this one because I don't want to risk like losing this. I mean, I won't lose it, but I just don't like play this one. Press the button.
Give me.
I love water. I bet we can do it without needing okay. See, I told you I didn't even need to have flying carpet. I could just still beat it with the rock form. And I'm dead. Why'd I do that? I don't want to slide down. It's gonna kill me. I got 3,338 coins. Without a full buck. It's literally just Roblox in 2017. You don't even need to explain it. I know. It's Roblox when I was born. I joined in 2019. It's gonna be a tie, guys. It's gonna be a tie ball. I got a couple minutes left. Alright guys, we won this. Go! I can't really speak right now because I have something in my mouth. How do I chew so loud? Man just died, man. Just died. This round will take 9,000 years. Anyways, I think that'll be it for our video. I'm just gonna hurry up and hopefully escape this. I'm dead. Alright, guys, I think that'll be it for my video. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Tomorrow is episode 2, season 1 of Cat Clicker. Hold on, we gotta do the. No, I just clicked Roblox. No. Oh, it's not loading. My internet is finally good for once. Guys, my internet's finally good for once. I accidentally clicked Roblox, but it couldn't load because my internet was down for like a 1 nanosecond. Thank you, the gods of internet. I don't gotta do 10 years of trying to get back in the same server. Alright, do the emote. By the way, you should probably go to bed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.